Hi everyone, so here is a POV camera point of view disposable camera events. So do you need internet to use this app? So seems yep, you will need internet to use this app because first of all, if you share the link, someone needs to scan the link and like either they need to have downloaded the app, or if they didn't download the app, they will need to use the camera via browser. So to access that camera via browser, you will need internet. But actually, if you already downloaded the app and you joined the event, maybe you actually don't need Wi-Fi. So yeah, just let's check it out. So for example, if I just turn off my Wi-Fi and I'll just go here and then I try to enter the event. And then I just go and try to take a photo. And then I can just tap take photo. Oh, sorry, I'm just using cellular. I'll also turn that off. So then I can just go and take photos. So, all right, so yep, you need internet in any case. Unfortunately, yep, you will need internet. So yep, that's just what it is. But I guess all people will have like either cellular or Wi-Fi. But of course, if you have your party or wedding or whatever in some like weird location or some mountains without internet, then you can't use it.